Welcome. This is how to create a shared iPhone calendar. So, guys, first is just simply go ahead and go to your calendar application into your phone. Now, here on the calendar, you could just simply select the calendar option at the bottom. And now, here you should be able to see your list of calendars. And you will have an option over here, add calendar. So you could add a calendar over here or subscription or holiday. So let's say I'm going to go for the calendar and I'm going to name it test. And after that, as you can see right away, you should be able to have shared with, and you can add a person over here, and you should be able to just simply provide their email right here. Now, guys, if you already have existing email, Now, guys, if you already have existing calendar, you just simply select the eye icon or information icon, and you can add a person over here. And the same thing, when you add a person, you should be able to have them shared the calendar. And you could also go ahead and select public calendar over here, and you can share a link once you do it on public. I hope this video helped you out.